Hello everyone, in this video I will create animation of moving cars with the help of Java applets. So I have created one class moving cars, and the class is extending from the base class applet. And if you are not sure about this, what is this applet code and what is this base class, what is this graphics function, you must watch my first video how to create an applet in Java. I will post the link in the description box. So now I am going to create one a car. For that, let me set the color to color is suppose blue, and I will fill the rectangle. So fill the rectangle. I will fill the rectangle to yeah. Okay, now I will change the color to a yellow color. I will create a yellow color car. So fill a rectangle. I will create a car at this point 150 150 here. Okay, let me show you the output first, so then I will explain. So compile it and run it. Yeah, you can see the car at this point. Let me explain this first of all. So first of all, I have set the color to blue. You can see what there is one rectangle and background color is blue. So set color is blue, and I have filled the rectangle. Then I have set the color to yellow, and I have created one rectangle at this point 150 150. As you can see, this is point 150 150, and x-axis is 100 and y-axis is 50, means width is 100 and height is 50. So the car width is 100 and its length is 50. Okay, so now I will create tires. So I am going to change the color of the tires. So set color. So I will change the color to red is okay. So and then I will create tire. For tires I am going to use fill oval. So I will 160 200 20 20, and another tire another tire fill oval, and I will create another tire at 220 200 20 20. Let me show you the it's applet. Yeah, you can see now there are two tires, as you can see. So see 160 here, this point is x is 150. So I want a tire little bit there. So x is 160 here, and y, see, for rectangle for this car the y is this y is at 200, because here 150 and 50 is 200. Fine, so y is 200, and I have created oval of 20 20, as you can see. And now I want another tire somewhat at distance from there. So 220 is the x-axis and other things will remain same. So 200 20 20. So this I have created one car. Okay, now I am going to create another car. Let me close. I want to create another car somewhere at this point. So let us assume x 700 and y 300 or y 400, you can assume. So let me create. So now I will create another car. So I am going to create another car of white color. So color dot white, and I will copy this code of creating. Okay, I will create another rectangle, so fill rectangle, and at this point 700, 300, and height and breadth and height will be same. So fill rect, and I will create tires of black color, so set color and color dot black, and I will create two ovals. So for that I will I will use fill oval. So fill oval 710, 350, and 20, and G dot fill oval 760 and 350, 20. I have already explained these coordinate system, x, y, and x width and height, so you can try it. So let me first of all save it, and then compile. I am going to compile the code and run the code. So yeah, you can see I have created another car at this point, and this is the 700, 300, and width is 100 and height is 50, and another tires at this point 710 and 760. You can try these coordinate systems, you can you can change the values, and you can learn accordingly. You can create another car, you can create 3, 4, 5, 6, as many cars you want. So in this video I will create animation with these two cars only. Okay, now what I am going to do for moving the cars, what I will do, okay, so for moving the cars I will use loop. So I am going to use a loop for int I will move these cars by 20 repetitions. So sorry, for 20 repetitions, so I am using this loop. Fine, and I will use a repaint method. Repaint method means when I use this repaint method, this paint method is called again. So I have used repaint method, and I am using thread sleep method. For that I have to use try and catch block for the thread sleep method, because thread sleep method throws an exception at the runtime. So just for handling the exception I have used a try and catch block, and here I am using a thread sleep method, and for 100 millisecond, here the argument is time in millisecond, so 100 millisecond, and I have used a repaint method. Now see, listen carefully, that what I am going to do is here I am using one variable j. So initially a variable is 0. So here I will move one car forward. So here I am just adding j here, and this car I will move in the reverse direction. So here I will use minus. So see, g is initially 0, so plus j. For one car I will move forward in this direction, and another car I will move backward in the reverse direction. So what I am doing, I am adding the value of j to these values, and another car I will move in the reverse order. So I am decreasing the value of j from these three values, because this is the code of creating a car. So here what I will do in the loop, I will increment the j. I will increment the j. Now what will happen? So this code will create one car and this code will create two car, as I have already shown you the output. Okay, and when this loop start, for initially I is 0, so value of j will be, if initially j is 0, j will be 1, and next time I am calling repaint, and this method will be called again, and the car will move to the 151 x-axis, and tire 161 and another tire 221, and here I am decrementing, I am subtracting j from this value, so 700, so car will move little bit to the backward in the reverse direction. Now suppose value of j is 10, so next time value of j will be 1 2 3 4 5, and it will seem like car is moving in the direction, and I am calling repaint. And what this method is doing, I will explain. Let me show you the output. Just wait. Okay, so compile it, and so boom, so these two cars are moving as I have already explained, because I am calling the repaint method, and the cores are taking little bit time because I have used this sleep method for 100 millisecond, as you can see. Let me close it. Let me close, and let me change the time to 20 here. Now you will see the difference. Now the cars are moving fast, because in the sleep method there is only a 20 millisecond time. Fine. So simple code. So first of all, I have created one car, then I have created another car. With the help of a loop, I am changing the value of j, and here I am adding j, and here I am subtracting j. Simple. And I am calling the repaint method, and sleep method I am using because I want to show it like an animation. So sleep method I am using. So simple. Okay, so let me show you the output again. Okay, so you can create more than 3-4 cars as per your requirement. You can change the coordinates, you can change the value of the j. So thank you for this video, for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime.